akwala nini ne maame na gina ho no bola fo no so Hopeson kwajovi amobra ana dwen ketekete se akukọ etweba bola fo no so shababia akwala yi also he is fooling too much in Ghana obi antimi nkanchere no obi asuro no Hopeson Adorye obro mna so awon your only son wa wo mamienu ebema bakope uba bema bakopa dachi Hopeson Adorye wuwa odwede ntwie uba bema bakope adachi wuwa onu ne besie me na metadua ni manidi me na me shadow me na ni ma me conversation nyina wa ba obana dwumanti ontimi mpie eme kasa judge dia to so 5 million utua. Did you obey the instructions that the judge give it to you? Did you obey it? The instructions that the judge give it to you. Say you say wo ujina ono. Say you do obi kwagina court. Ni eso metua sika. Ene e dia ba si ni so. Emani chia. Eka wo yamfa wo kwagina court. Emma judge eni asem ewuli. Enka nkyerɛw say makola 500 Ghana cedis. Kwasi ambeni it say 500 Ghana cedis for your only son. School fees and daily bread. You can't even afford it.
Abusia nyina enim se ntokwa bi ekoso bitue maame Agradaa ene Hopeson Adorye ene ne nyina ne fire by nsam ya Hopeson Adorye ekotena TV XYZ so ekokan ya eno na akofa ntokwa di aba besi ne ya se bosom mienu gwakwa die yegusu di ntokwa ne mu dendende enra omukokopie mu ewo court na after se court no ekwa asetena wie na Hopeson eba abonten de nsem bi betu dwa sansem no na ahye mama part bufu a ene ensem a obeso life abro so de egu abonten de busua enya asem ketwa efi Hopeson na ware edi kan ema wo mu akwala wo hwe ni 5 years ebesi bebi na akwala na dru sika wo no akasa mama part eyi dia ma oba na tedwe ne akwala na di ene ensem a woni fa Hopeson hu nyina no ene ode ne nyina ba beto abonten a obi ensitu ro fama 20 message also beka me ho ne nyina yakwamya kwa se ne mama part ede ensem no esitu dwa fa asa ne beko no me kai wo se aha aye too much gh message no nya subscriber to so na de be ona ka ho se be na upload ni to be one first person ya wonsa ebidi kan akabe busu ama yenko tie se ne mama part no ko fine no ko tantalizing mrs Sia ma woman Gaddafi ode ensem no etu dwa fa
minim se wonnim nyansa bako say another seal for Agradaa wonu obi kontokwa wadi matem madu 1000 times wonu obi a wachimi a wonim nyansa Hopeson ekentokwa na wo ne me kono wo fatanie baako wo sibidi akosi unu wo fatanie mienu wo sibidi akosi unu any every video bia wo yatanie baako na wo de akosi me ne wo yiri gina ntokwa no madi na tem and wo yi asem ni mu baako ade akogina court some me say wo yiri ya shawani na ade akogina court for defamation. Why can't you take the matter to court? No, I don't know why we you know HIV in one your wife can call me a depression by calling your wife HIV candidate. You are going to court. What bottom is a shoe? What happened also? Your wife can call me a depression by for me to call your wife HIV candidate. Depression is a sickness. HIV is a sickness. You are calling me depression. For me to call you HIV candidate, me, I will not take you Hopeson Adorye to court. I will not take you anywhere. I will not take your wife anywhere. I will discipline you on the social media. That is me. I will discipline you. Another 200 million. What but damn Jimmy for? What bet CS into come no yira bet CS into come me discipline mu meme de mudi matam de meme nyani pa o meme de mudi matam meme nyani pa one said the judge and can say she don't know what to do about this case, so you should go and settle the case. And the judge and catch them was it, why can't you go and settle this matter? Was it no, you will not settle it. If you not settle it, don't come and insult me. Don't take me to court and come and sit in your house or anywhere to shade me, to bomb a kutia, to insult me. I will lash you. She akwalani ni ne maame na gina ho no bola vono so Hopeson kwajovi amobra ana dwen ketekete se akukọ etweba bola vono so shababia akwalai also he is fooling too much in Ghana obia ntimi nka nkere no obia suro no Hopeson Adorye obro mna so awo no national radio so atrete ayaya petition up to now ogusu nam ho ojimi ise musuro mochi na obaba bedi motem eti musuro sa ye bedi atem for ourselves bola vono so shebe bia woni mami wu akwala kitikiti Hopeson Adorye na da ho no oba no na da ho no akwala ni nie asofo nie she akwala yo ana woni ne mami etse bola vono so meba na so baby akwala yi edruye awuja akwala na hwe Hopeson she baby akwala ni druye awuja akwala na hwe ema ne maami du ko gina court enewu odwodwantwie ti se wo Hopeson Adorye hopeless Adorye useless hopeless Adorye bema uti wiase na won sheba na utiminya the gas and the capacity eba yen ema ya dani mema sheye ma university wo coming to compare yourself to me some men say ema useless man like you when you ba wo fresh ama kola na wa hwe na do say wan hwe ni biem hwe ba bia kola na nyi aduru hwe ba bia ne kola no wanyi aduru eni bola vono so dabi medina to so nitini so bola vono so shababi akwala yanyi aduru shababi akwala yi anyi aduru ne maami di wako jina court bola vono so ne maami di wako jina court and I will see if a court mranya adwuma ho and I will see court ashe will be 6,000 ometria ya show be 6,000 ometria Obana wonene wo ye no akwala na nyi aduru sei ewa bra obana wo hwa akwala ne mane tua school fees entua bibia o obana tamwa ko gina court ama ye di asem na wie ye di asem no ye wie o na wo die ya wo jubilate case ni mpo ye nyan start you Hopeson wo die na wo jubilate no case no ye nyan start case no ye nyan start case no ba wo die no die ye di asem no e wo court ama wo ba no oba no I don't want to show pictures we kwa me de to so and that the same nyin free so ma nyin free so bola wona so oba fe she ma mema tip ma me vanta she oba fe bola wona so oba na me dey na tesoro no oba fe enkai before come on fa mo mama eni agro Hopeson kai before come on fa mo mama ma me fa mo to soro me ka sanjira come on fa mo mama eni agro mami atimi ahwakolai she first picture na me de beto ho no na re baby akola na duru oba ye timi duwa ko gina court ama the whole judge Atina Samso not less than 2 years. edi asem no awie and ruling the judgment. Say hopeless man like papa yo jina hoi ana bodwi afufita na wachimie na akola wanya 2 years mpo enim nyansa eche no bola abana so wo ye di wasem wawie ama judge a demand say ma akola yi 500 Ghana cedis a month na ne ma me fa bi taduani manini na ne ma me fa bi enchi akola ni school fees kwasiam penny hopes Adorye hopeless Adorye kwasiam penny ena ye bi a school I meme to university e meme to school fees e meme do mama eko school e meme do mama eko to boarding what dane kwasiam penny wo ba wiase wo ba be ma ba ko pe e ma mienu be ma ba ko e ma mienu be ma ba ko ane wo de ba wiase o penny toto I would jira ho I will ba be ma ba ko pe wa be minister of ports momo la wona so wa be minister of ports wa no de to social media de bu bomu se na ntwie bodamfo anadwen eni ho u ba be ma ba ko pe your only son wa wo ma mienu e be ma ba ko pe u ba be ma ba ko pa dachi Hopeson Adorye wuwa odwede ntwie u ba be ma ba ko pe adachi wuwa onu ne besie wu me na me taduani manidi me na me shadow me ne ma me conversation nyina wa ba obana dwumanti ontimi mpie e me kasa judge dia to so 5 million utua. Did you obey the instructions that the judge give it to you? Did you obey it? The instructions that the judge give it to you. Say you say wo ujina ono. Say you do obi kwagina court. Ni eso o metue sika. Ene e dia baasi ni so. Emani chia. Eka wo yamfa wo kwagina court. Emma judge eni asem ewuli. Enka nkyerɛ say makwala 500 Ghana cedis. Kwasi ampeni te say 500 Ghana cedis for your only son. School fees and daily bread. You can't even afford it. What for me? Mementra sena wo. Amo bra kwadonto kwasi ampeni. Awa amo bra unfa unsanya adwuma. Baby when Adorye. Ya do kwato MPP for. They want for MPP whole time. I would see radio so. And MPP for and the media yawo and the mesia wo. What's you home? Hopeson Adorye? I'm not fighting for any political party. But I'm telling you, what's you home? Baby, a good father page I would do see ye. I will call Bokrono, our airport one. Emia you would know. Why to me a fa chrono sikano and sidine. And I be before, and you see a woman. I don't want to be see me. Hopeson Adorye, I want you say, Siena would ye see MPP for no, Fabi see me. Mete ha, me do atem, Fabi see me. Me go anymore say. I am stripping you naked. Fabi bet see me. Bola vanaso. Kwasia. Jimmy. Tosi. Biadenchie. Papa penimu wa Jimmy saufre. Wa Jimmy saufre. Before you obey your first court paying the 500 Ghana cedis a month for your only son, who started here, I will also give you the 6,000. Uni chasri. Hopeson Adorye, uni chasri. Abra obekwa obey the rule and at the court. Judge no, ekachira will say, ma akwala na wa wono no, man 5 million a month. Ada ube start here chiano. I will also come and pay the 6,000. How many years in it? I am a judgment. Some are calling 5 million. How many years in it? How many now? Yes, 6,000 man gift. Kochia would ye. The day of Banaba Freme, Mama Pat. I've heard the whole say was started Wa mama 5 million. Wa mama 5 million. Ada ubetia do 6,000. I will also give you the 6,000. When you wadi, wo when you wadi.
Entabusia ensemi ena mama part assign edi about after say Hopeson edi ono na dwenche e ba ya bra court na ekọ asetena ewie na we no na Ghana for eche say wasem e wo court anka anye bia no ye behu so ben so beka wano to fisa asemi ne wodi kan kọ kan e no nam so na di wakwa kopie court enti se wasa yakwa court no biom na se asetena ne nkọ awie ye ni asem ni wie ya na se wo saba be so live kan asem ni se ya kasa dodo we eya na fom so empo da wa hwe ya na waka no anwa kwakopa na wakoka ne yenke bia ne samoko ya yakobo ka 6,000 ya waba wo ba chire mu fufuri enti se wo san ko kana safe wo be san yakọ ne se ne ya che contempt na eno no wo ka wasem se enti Ghana for chese se gebe ya mama part ke won kana no ntum enkusi se asem no wo mu ebedi ewie fi se a lawyer for na agege for no social media se me twegu ni no wo mu so e fa information bi e di free wo mu gina so e de ka wo masem na so mu gina so e make wo mu judgment enti se bi say ne kopie mu okota ya na ya hwe ye kasa mu yewe ne yesem Ghana for e ka message se wo so beja wo de esa adwenche e wo comment section ho e de ma me na fe we me subscribe button so e too much gh e ya kai so de bell de be kan ho se ne be na upload ni tumpe wo ne first person ya won sa e bi di kan akabi all the social media platforms so ko a e too much oh subscribe and like it na wa share na wo nwe bi so enye bi ahwe that good enemy day macro
ye kon man makro ma ye nyi prebu wo kwan so wo lala odofo hede ne wo hawe hede ne wo dadwen yare be na ye kwanko a wo de chenchecheche a wo nya no aduro ene na me kanfo Raboni Spiritual Research and Divine Medical Laboratory ediama a prophet Dr. Abednego ene da no
a wise man will hear and will increase knowledge, but the fools despise counsel.
Prophet Dr. Abednego ye odifo a eweye mremu awrade ayi no ama wiase se sunsum ya rebia aye okwanko a Dr. Edikre wo ene na me kanfo Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital powered by Castoplanto Technology kai Prophet Dr. Abednego enye pray for me inti hwehwe Prophet Dr. Abednego akiri kwan wo insanwama do akiri Oreku Liberty House adase Fred Dr. Prophet Abednego 020-859-9576 na say 027-8977-215 in short of 4 kai se wo twi bibi wo so na semba na bibi krem